Shichahai is a picturesque lakeside district located in the north of central Beijing. Back in the Yuan dynasty, Shichahai stood as a crucial link between Hangzhou in the south and Beijing in the north of China, and served as the core commercial district of the empire. This area holds strong historical and cultural significance to the mainland Chinese. The largest of the three lakes that make up Shichahai is Hohai, a charming district dotted with willow trees, ancient alleys, and traditional Beijing snacks. These ancient alleys, known as Hutongs, are relics from the Yuan dynasty, and it is within one of these Hutongs that one can find the Beijing Courtyard House, cozily situated amongst traditional Siheyuans that embody old Beijing architecture. Stepping into Hohai, one is met with the curious sensation of traversing through time and arriving in classical China. The locals have taken great care to preserve the district such that it maintains the same quaint charm as it did decades ago. Meandering Hutongs from the time of the Yuan dynasty continue to populate the district today, drawing serpentine patterns across the map of Beijing. Within these narrow alleys sit the Siheyuans, some of which richly dyed in varying shades of red, blue, green, and yellow, like Beijing Courtyard House was before it was refreshed. These auspicious tones mirror that of the famous Prince Gong mansion located within the same district, and a telltale symbol that hints at the aesthetics of ancient Beijing. It is evident that the people of Hohai revere and adore their cultural heritage. Seeing this, we thought it was only right to adopt a conservationist mindset and approach the project with heritage preservation in mind, while paying attention to the needs of new homeowners. This approach led us to discover other heritage elements that form the soul of Hohai: their folk arts, crafts, and pedestrian culture. Later, it would be these discoveries that enabled us to fully manifest the spirit of Hohai within the estate. A conserved traditional building, the Beijing Courtyard House is a private clubhouse designed as a calm oasis amidst a bustling city. The estate is the perfect refuge for those in pursuit of pastimes such as tea appreciation. In the process of transforming the estate to meet modern needs, we considered the context in which it exists. A strong influence on the design narrative of the house was the formation of the Siheyuan, as well as its much grander counterpart located just down the street, the Forbidden City. The vernacular typology of traditional Beijing homes extend beyond simply having living spaces and circle scenic courtyards. The placement of each space undergoes careful consideration and serves a greater purpose, to allow for maximum privacy and maintain the comfort of the homeowner. To retain this within the renewed estate, the team incorporated hierarchy into the design of the new space. The estate was arranged such that visitors can experience a journey through the shared communal spaces within the home before uncovering the homeowner's most intimate spaces, should they allow it. The most private areas of the home, such as the master suite and guest suite, are concealed and nestled within the back of the estate, while social spaces such as the gallery, dining, and tea pavilions are located closer to the entrance. Hierarchy is established here in the form of gated access. Only the homeowners and those closest to them have access to the master suite, located furthest within the home, whereas visiting acquaintances dwell only within the communal spaces such as tea and dining pavilions. In a sense, gaining access to the inner quarters of the home is a privilege. Only those within the inner circle of the homeowners would have the freedom to move throughout the estate as they please. On a more practical note, the layout also allows guests to freely enter and exit the estate without trespassing the personal spaces of the homeowners, allowing for maximum privacy.